Backed by unpopular demand, Delta Airlines has resurrected the CRJ200 back from the dead. Earlier this month, on June 25, 2024, Skywest reactivated November 936 Echo Victor, one of its stored CRJ200s which operated under the Delta Connection brand. The aircraft, 936, would make a 3.5-hour flight out of storage in Tucson, Arizona to Detroit Metro, where Skywest has a maintenance base and would have its re-entry inspections completed. 2 days later, the morning of June 27, 2024, 936 would re-enter revenue service operating as Delta 4274 from Detroit Metro DTW to Alpena APN, located in northern Michigan. The aircraft is currently being operated on short routes throughout Michigan. Operating in the morning is Flight 4274, an hour-long flight between Detroit and Alpena, and in the afternoon is Flight 4243, an hour and 20-minute flight between Detroit and Escanaba, located in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Both routes are considered EAS, or Essential Air Service routes, meaning they are routes that are government subsidized to ensure that smaller communities are able to maintain commercial airline service. Only saddening about 10 avgeeks, the much disliked CRJ200 was originally retired by Delta on December 1, 2023. This made Delta the first of the big three airlines to no longer fly the smallest of the Canadair regional jet series. The CRJ200, originally produced by Bombardier, is an 87-foot jet powered by two General Electric CF34-3B turbofan engines with a range of about 2,000 miles. The aircraft features a 50-seat cabin with one lavatory. Delta's CRJ200 fleet cabin layout features the 4 bulkhead seats of the aircraft as Comfort Plus seating. According to public forums, Skywest has stated that they may use the CRJ200 in Delta Connection markets as needed throughout the summer until their new CRJ550 fleet is online and operating. The company, in conjunction with Delta, announced last month its plans to convert and operate the CRJ550 on select routes and expect them to enter service July of this year. The conversion converts the 65-seat CRJ700 into a 50-seater, mostly to get around airline scope clauses. The 550 was first introduced in 2019 with GoJet Airlines operating under the United Express flag. More info on the CRJ550 and other variants can be found in the CRJ550 440 705 Variants Explained video, linked at the top of the screen. The news of the CRJ200's reactivation is honestly no surprise to me, with the increased flights and aircraft shortages during summer flying. Having worked at a regional in the past for almost 9 years, I have done multiple duty tours in the desert boneyards, parking aircraft, reactivating them, parking different aircraft, and then reactivating the same ones that just got parked only years later. It is also no surprise for the ease in which Skywest was able to reactivate a CRJ. Although no longer flying them under the Delta Connection flag, Skywest currently still operated the 200 for United Express and under their own brand of Skywest Charter. Because of this, the company still has all the logistics still in place, such as pilots, mechanics, parts, and tooling, as well as training and operational procedures, unlike Endeavor, whose pilots have since been qualified to fly the CRJ700 and 900, as well as the 200 probably being completely removed by the airline's OpSpec. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on the CRJ in the comments below, good, bad, or indifferent.